Hey guys, what's going on? Back here with a quick review. What we got here today is a can crusher. For most of you that collect cans, this is for you. For the ones that don't really collect cans, maybe you should think about it, because you could actually make a pretty decent dollar, especially if you drink a lot of soda or drink a lot of beer. Uh, Eventually, all those cans add up. So this thing will make your life a lot easier if you actually do collect cans. So let's say you drink a lot of soda. If you keep the sodas by the fridge, then install this by the fridge. If you have like a personal fridge in your room, then keep it next to your room. So every time you need to go and replenish, you take your empty can and just pretty much crush it right next to the fridge. Anyways, this is $11, and it only can crush 12-ounce cans. But a neat little trick that I learned about it, I'll show you in a minute. But I read the reviews, and the reviews said that after squishing 12 cans, it would break. And to me, I was like, why would it break so quickly? Maybe the rivets, the things that hold the handle in place, may have been coming out of place, which I think was the thing that was happening. But if it is that's because people are squishing it, pulling the handle all the way far down as much as they can. But no, you don't have to do that. So look, this is a decent squish without having to do the trick that I'm about to let you know in a little bit. It's a decent squish, and it'll pretty much get you a cylinder squashed can pretty much all the time. But right here, you see that? That's where I think people keep on saying that it breaks. And it breaks because they pull it all the way down. They force it down. There is no stopping guide right there, no stopping pin. And by doing that, it is going to break that. But either way, even if it breaks, even if the rivet breaks, you could still just put in a bolt on it and a problem solved. Now this can is still a 12-ounce can, but it's skinnier and a little bit taller. So by squishing it in the middle, just like giving it a little pinch, it fits. And thanks to that's how I learned how to get the perfect squash every time. No matter if it's this one, this taller can, or the 12 regular ounce Budweiser can, you give it a little pinch, and it will give you a perfect squished can. Look at that. Perfect. So anyways, that's my thoughts on this product review. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button for more how-to and tech videos.